What's going on, everybody? This is yours truly, the Forex Rockstar, man. I trust you guys are blessed. You guys are well. I'm on top. I'm on top at the top. I'm on top at the top. It is what it is, guys. So I'm trading US30, Nasdaq 100. I'm trading gold and I'm trading pound. These are the only things I'm focused on at the moment, right? I'll also encourage you guys who are following my setups and everything like that. I still do the same thing, guys. This is over 1,000 pips I've caught, over 1,000 to 2,000, 1,200 to 1,300 somewhere there. I don't have the pip counter on this platform. So basically, um I've been keeping up with everybody who's been texting me, who've been concerned where I am and all and all and all and all and all. I'm around, guys. I'm available. I'm here. It's just that sometimes social media gets a bit too much for me. But if you've been texting me and you've been communicating with me, I've been replying you, I've been communicating with you guys. This is yours truly, the one and the only, the Forex Rockstar, guys. 100% I'm on top of my game. So basically, in the morning when I'm trading, let me explain this trade I'm in. In the morning when I'm trading US30 and nas100, I really don't expect much. You see, they just tendered my TP. My target was just £1,000. I wasn't too aggressive. I didn't want to double or triple or anything like that. As much as I was seeing the market direction, I still didn't want to put in a lot of weight on the trade. Okay, because of the London, the Asian session, the market is not really. It's very choppy. Secondly, it's a Monday, so we really don't expect much. 20,000 rand, which is roughly £1,000, will be okay for me, you know. But you can see this is a very, very good trade I'm in. I could have been running on a risk-free trade. They're still gonna hit my TP, guys. There's no two ways about it. I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. I'm a master at this. You know, I know what I'm doing. I'm a master at this. So basically, guys, what's going on is um I will be trading US30, nas100, gold, and pound pairs, right? Those are my those are the ones that I've mastered. Those are the ones that I've mastered. I've mastered these things. I've mastered these ones. So these are the ones that I'll be trading. When I talk of highs and lows, I'm focused on these particular ones for now, for now, you know. So anything else besides that, I can do here and there, but it's not really my specialty, if I may put it like that. My specialty is these four things. And I'll encourage you guys to do the same. So later on, I'll be trading today. Later on, I'll be trading today. Like, um, you know, when I see that now the New York session is starting, because US30 pairs, now it's 100 pairs, they're obviously New York related. So I'll be focused on that. That's where I can do my stuff and really risk it, and put weight on my trades. But before then, I'm just taking it easy. It's a Monday and it's also in the morning, so we don't go in too big. You will see, guys, later on. I'll be showing you guys the trades I'll be running, but I'm running in good pips at the moment. If I want to close, I can close. Still good money, man. It's not bad for a Monday. I can still, increase and take it up from there. There's no wrong way of taking profit. Always remember that. So this is yours truly, guys, the Forex Rockstar. If you want to reach me, you can always visit my website and everything. Text us on WhatsApp. We're there. We're available. We'll communicate with you. So God bless everybody. This is yours truly, the Forex Rockstar. I just came here to share that 2 cent information with you, and I'll be out of your way. God bless you guys. I love you so much. Yours truly signing out.